My sister is pregnant. Today I find out the gender because I'm gonna be doing her gender reveal. What's up, guys? We're on our way to the shop because I need to get a few things for my sister's gender reveal. So I'm asking if I can take this one because this is the inspo picture. I want kind of like these. So guys, we got the first cardboard or whatever you call it. The second one she's gonna be printing tomorrow. And this is how I'm sitting in between the hole because I don't fit anywhere else. But yeah, the one we did for tomorrow is even bigger than that one. So we're gonna come in the bigger car. It was not a very long drive. That's why I didn't mind sitting this way. So I got this in case I want to do some of the beeswax shapes. I don't know. I could do stuff with it. I feel like it's like it works for a lot of things. I also got like an off-white one, which I can also cut into like bee shapes or something. We got this triangle, which we're gonna put like, what do you call them? It's like little profiterole on the triangle. And then I got sticks for cotton candy because we're gonna make cotton candy. White pencils because we got like cards where we're gonna try to guess like the due date. Like it's like a guessing game kind of. Good morning. So I have the board here. I don't know what you call it. And I'm trying to cut like a bee. It's gonna be on this side because this is the side I'm drawing on. And I was thinking it's like, it's cute. We can put it on this. Ta-da! Look at it. Go like this. What's up, guys? Look at my hair. It's so voluminous. I don't know what happened. Today we're picking up the second board for the background. I don't know, I keep calling it a board. And yeah, we're gonna pick it up. We took the big car because I think it's not gonna fit in the other car.
No, okay, I'll go directly.
Is it gonna close? So guys, we got the board, it's here. And then I found some like yellow cups, which I think is cute. It's like a mustard kind of yellow. I'm not liking the very like bright yellow. And then I got these cute like baby outfits. And I'm gonna hide them in the garden, and because we have kids coming, like 2 kids, and so I thought it would be fun for them to like treasure hunt. Not treasure hunt, just yeah, treasure hunt. I don't know what you call it. Ta-da! It was looking yellow in the shop. Now it's kind of looking gray for some reason. Hey guys, I got more stuff for the gender reveal. I got some yellow. It's a very light yellow, which I love, matches the theme. It's balloons. I don't know if I said the theme is like bees. Yeah, I did say that. And then I got these like long balloons because I saw people tie them together and like they use them to kind of hold the balloon structure that I'm gonna make. Hopefully this goes well because I've never tried this before. Now, the thing I'm gonna attempt doing today is a cake stand, because I wasn't able to find like a good cake stand. So I'm gonna try doing one with like foam cardboard. I don't know what you call this, foam board. Ta-da! It looks good from afar, but like don't look at the details. It's not perfect. Yeah, I have glue all over my nails. Ew, why do I look like that? We got bombed a few minutes ago. And yeah, they're getting like intense. Sometimes it feels like different. Hey guys. Hey guys. Look at the weather. It's raining. It's crazy. And during the winter, it didn't rain that much. It's now March 24 and it's like 9:30 in the morning and it's so dark. Like we're having to turn on all the lights in the house. And I'm still preparing for the gender reveal, which hopefully, you know what the problem is I ordered most of my things from Shein for the decoration, and because of the war, obviously Shein was like, there was no cargo arriving to the country or anything. But there is a few now, but it's like very slow, so that's why the Shein, like the gender reveal was supposed to be like a week ago, so now it's like postponed. I still didn't receive my Shein. However, it is in the country, so I feel like in a few days it might be here. So as soon as it's here, we're just gonna go, you know, like do the gender reveal. Now I'm doing this game where I'm sure you've seen it. It's like people put their heads here and then someone puts, like, not my hands, it's like somebody's hands, and then they have to like feed me. And what I got for this game is little baby, what do you call these? I don't know. Outfits. And I'm just gonna stick them here so like it looks like a baby. And yeah, I'm kind of preparing the games because the decoration is all in the Shein order. I got some baby bottles that we're also gonna do like a contest of who finishes the milk or water first. Hey guys! I bought some more things for the gender reveal. I feel like all I do is just buy more things. But yeah, I wanted to show you. I got little honey pots like this from the supermarket. I got like 14 of them because I think we're 14. Hopefully I didn't miscount. And then I thought I would get like some fabric. Let me show you. This, actually my mom has this and she gave it to me and I'm allowed to cut it. So I'm gonna cut circles, and then I'm gonna like put them here, and then I'm gonna tie it with like a, I don't know what you call it, twine. I got this for no reason. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I got a bag because we're gonna play games and then there's gonna be like one winner. I got some artificial flowers and look how cute they are. Like, I wanted to put real flowers, but these look so good and they really give me like bee vibes. These as gifts, because why not? Here's the thread I was talking about. Look how cute these little flowers. Guys, I cannot explain to you the stress of my Shein coming and not coming. I told you guys I have a Shein order and we kept postponing the gender reveal because it wasn't coming, and then the day I asked for a refund, it gets to the delivery company. And so I'm like, please cancel refund, cancel refund. And then it was like too late. It was with the driver, and then the driver didn't give it to me because it was like kind of canceled. I didn't get the money yet or anything. I had to do a lot of things, but I received it. I cannot explain to you how happy I am. I don't know. I was crying yesterday because like I waited 3 weeks for that order and we postponed it 3 times. Not for it to like be here, like right here, and they don't give it to me, you know? Anyways, I have this board finally that I ordered where they're gonna be putting their guests, like if it's a boy or a girl. So I got some like gifts. It's like mini soaps and they're so cute. I just need to put them together. Like I will build them. But yeah, I also have like predictions. Like you can write down what you think it's going, like who the baby's gonna look like, etc. Things like this. I have like oh baby. I have some flower like guirlande. I don't know what you call it. I have a flower balloon, and then I have these little papers that I put on like bottles of water. Or I can do the cups. I don't know. So I set up the table. شو؟ لا ما بعرف بركة ثانية. I put the yellow underneath. And yeah, I'm just sorting out all the stuff I need to put on the table. I have these, and I think I'm gonna put on this.
لابس خلقه هو هي من الوانه اصلا.
ولابق على التاني.
بده ينزل لك.
So guys, I'm trying to see where I should put things. I think it makes sense to have like the lemonade when they walk in. Basically, this will be like where they take food in their plate, and then I think we're gonna be sitting outside. So yeah, this is where they pass, and so I want them to not miss this and to put their guests. I have the prediction. Here I put the little honeys that I did. Yeah, they were in this, but I didn't like it in this. I feel like by themselves they look cuter. And then over here I put the little soap gifts, but I don't have enough to cover the whole thing. So I put like ribbons to kind of fill the gaps. I have a cotton candy machine, which we haven't used for like 20 years now. Guys, I think I unlocked a new skill. I brought these down. These are gonna be outside. This is the cake thing. But I just needed to see, like to test out how I'm gonna put the balloons on them. And thank you Pinterest, but basically I have this thing, I don't know what it's called, and then I have balloons that I tied together, you know, the long balloons. And it's so easy. I just like this stretches so much. I'm not gonna pull it now. But yeah, I just basically put like one balloon inside and it holds. And then I do the same thing with the rest. I don't know if that's making sense. And it will go up until like here. And if I can do that, I'm already like very happy. So guys, I just washed the baby bottles. I didn't think I'd be washing baby bottles in my 20s. And I'm gonna put milk. This is, if you guys remember, I don't know if I mentioned, it's for a game. We're gonna see who like can drink the milk fastest, and it's only gonna be 3 people for this game. By the way, guys, I did my nails yesterday. This hand is just a little bit cute. Oh my god, I messed up so bad here, but just look at these. These are cute. Guys, the wind is so annoying today. Like, I keep arranging them. They don't look like this in reality. Like, I mean, they're not supposed to. It's like I push them here, but the wind keeps pushing them away. So, yeah. I don't know what to do. It's not my best work. It's also my first work, so.